Very good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to online classes. So every day, watch our online classes from YouTube channel and read every day without fail, because definitely they will conduct the examinations as per the schedule given by the government, so that everyone read and practice it each and every answer, because without practice you will not get the full marks. See, I told you also in the classes, during the physical classes, and you remember everyone. See, if practice only you will get the good marks, otherwise you will not get the good marks, right? And I want to tell you today related to that TSBIE about a model paper. So already you know the model paper and the question paper model. I will explain you and follow this video. And coming to the point, actually we know we have in first year 14 chapters, and that 14 chapters already you know very well. And here, according to the board given model paper, from which chapter we are getting like very short answers like LAQs and SAQs. See, I want to discuss these papers. You know, the first chapter, that is about a physical world. I think it is a very important chapter, because in our model paper there are two very short answers are given, so that you read that very two short answers, which is very important. So from this physical world, definitely one will get the VSAQ. So without fail you read that questions in the given material. So follow that and read and write the answers. Coming to the point is, see, from second chapter, units and measurements. For this units and measurement, see, in the final examination, every year, the previous papers, suppose you check the previous papers, see, from this chapter again they are giving one very short answer question. See, the model paper also, see, in the model paper also the given question is, how can the systematic error can be minimized? Of course, a systematic error can be minimized, it is from the units and dimensions. So you read that units and dimensions chapter thoroughly, because we have 10 very short answers. So supposed to finish that 10 very short answers, as well as in the model question booklet, which was given by TSBIE. Already I informed you, so that material, follow that material also. From this chapter we have some small problems related to the percentage errors also. So you go through that percentage error related problems, as well as the dimensional formulas, and as well as the statements and very short answer questions. And here, see, the next chapter, go for a motion in a straight line. Of course, it is a motion in a straight line is, there will be a from this chapter, usually they are asking one SAQ. SAQ is asking. So that SAQ will read thoroughly from that chapter. Of course, very short answers also are there, but you concentrate both very short answers and short answers. In that short answer also we know there is a very important question is there. That question is, S is equal to ut plus half at square by the graphical method. And in the same chapter we have some other related problems, like average speed, the problems related average speed, to find average speed, like other problems. So from the material supposed to do that problems. And here, from this chapter there is no very short answer, which was given by model paper and motion in a plane. Of course, this chapter also very important, because from this chapter there is a one short answer is asking, and there is a one very short answer also is there. Of course, see, I will tell you, from the straight line you look at once. For a straight line, question number 11th in the short answer, yes, is asking the particle move in a straight line with uniform acceleration. Its velocity at a time t is equal to 0 is v1, and at t is equal to t is v2. The average velocity of the particle in this during the interval v1 plus v2 by 2. Is this correct? And discuss. discuss your answer. So that is for straight line only given. And the next question, ball is dropped from the roof of a building, simultaneously another ball is thrown horizontally with the same velocity from the same roof, which ball lands first? Of course, this question also from the same chapter. See, there are two SAQs are given in the model paper, right? Like here, motion in a plane. In this motion in a plane, there is a one question, magnitude of A plus B is equal to magnitude of A minus B. Prove that the angle between A and B is 90. Of course, it is from one SAQ. And from the same chapter, show that the trajectory of an object thrown at a certain angle with horizontal is parabola. Yes, from the motion in a plane, there are two questions. So that don't neglect the motion in a plane also. Like it, let us go for the laws of motion. Say that I want to say related to the laws of motion. In the model paper, there are two very short answers are given. See, why spokes are provided a bicycle wheel? Yes. So, question related to motion in a plane. And by spinning of egg on the tabletop, how will the distinguish hard boiled egg and raw boiled egg? It's related. And why does the car with the flattened tires stop sooner with the one of the inflated tires? See, these are related to, two questions are related to laws of motion. It is given two very short answers. Two VSAQs are given, and as well as here we will see the SAQs also. Of course, there is a question, advantage and disadvantages of a friction is given. So that it is related to one SAQ given. It's a one SAQ. So properly use this information and read and write the answers. Then only you will get the perfection. Otherwise, you will not get the perfection. Clear? So that it is about a fifth chapter. Now go to the work power energy. Of course, it's a very important chapter, because from this they are asking one LAQ. Of course, in the previous papers and this model paper also, there is a two questions are given. That is a work and a kinetic energy. Show that it leads to work energy theorem. Yes, it is one. And as well as there is a one problem also given. That is everyone know. In our material there are three problems are there from work power energy that supposed to do. One is related to machine gun related. One more is related to lifting the water from the well. It is also is there, because with LAQ they are giving one problem. So not only that, see, the pump is required to lift a 600 kg water per minute from a well of 25 meter deep and eject the with a speed. This is also related to same chapter, and with this there is a law of conservation of energy is given. That means here there are two LAQs as it is given in the model paper, and with each LAQ there is a one problem is given. So that you are supposed to do that three problems from material. Already I told you in the classes, and you read that and write the answers, you will get the ultimately 8 marks from this chapter. Right. Coming to the system of particles. Yeah, once look at a system of particles, this chapter is also very important, because they are asking one VSAQ. Yes, of course. And let I want to see in LAQs how many SAQs are given. So that your SAQs are given, define distinguish between center of mass and center of gravity. That is one SAQ given, one VSAQ is given. SAQ and one VSAQ is given. So that you thoroughly read all SAQs, because from this chapter we have vector product also. That is also you need to read, and remain also there. Everything which was given in the material, you read all very short answers and short answers. Of course, again LAQ, oscillations from LAQ, they are asking one LAQ. So look at in this paper, there is a one LAQ is given. Show that the motion of a simple pendulum is a simple harmonic, and hence derive an equation for its time period. See, from this chapter we have 3 LAQs. Out of 3 LAQ, 1 LAQ given. So remain 2 LAQs also you need to read. And with this, in this question, in this model paper, there is no problem given. So that it is very easy. You can also write the answer, right? And go for the gravitation. Of course. So gravitation is a chapter which is also very important, and from this they are asking 2 short answers are given in this model paper. See, one is define escape velocity and obtain an expression for it, and it is the first SAQ. It is SAQ, and here in gravitation another question is given, what is a geostationary satellite and its uses. So go through these questions. In this gravitation, whatever the questions are there, 4 to 5 short answers are there, supposed to finish these questions. Now mechanical properties of solids. Of course mechanical properties of solids are, there is a question in short answers, there is a question given in short answers, of course. Yeah, 19th question is given, that is a question number SAQ given. So read from material, the question I will read. Explain why steel is preferred to copper, brass, aluminium in heavy duty mechanism and in structural design. It's, of course it is related to the mechanical properties. Of course not only this, we have other one also, types of stress, types of strain, and another one is behavior of wire under increasing a load. So that it is also important for SAQ, this chapter. Now let us mechanical properties of fluids. Yes, there are some very short answer questions are there. 7th one, why drops or bubbles are spherical and terminal velocity more if the surface or surface area of the body is more? Give reason in support of your answer. Yes, there are 2 VSAQs are given from this chapter. It is also very important chapter because they are asking 2 very short answers. See, I want to check, there is no SAQ, so that you read thoroughly all very short answers. Some are very LAQ also is there. Of course I told you in the class that LAQ also supposed to read Bernoulli's theorem LAQ. Now thermal properties of matter. In this thermal properties of matter, there are actually, this is given, one SAQ is given. That SAQ is pendulum clock generally go fast in winter and show in summer why. Slow in summer why? Yes, of course it is a very important question, and so that you read SAQ. Not only that, we have bimetallic strips, Newton's law of cooling, because I want to say one more, there is a one LAQ is given from this chapter, that is a 26th question. State and explain the Newton's law of cooling and state condition under which a Newton's law of cooling is applicable, and with this one there is a one problem also given. So one SAQ is giving, one LAQ also giving for this pandemic year, so that you go through this 12th chapter, very important. And coming to the last, but this is a thermodynamics, it's not least. And here in this chapter, actually previously in the year of 2020 and 19, 18, if you see the papers, last year papers, you check all last year papers, from this chapter usually they were asked one LAQ, but this year it is some LAQs are deleted from this chapter, so that from this chapter they are asking 2 SAQs, 21st question as well as 22, that is obtain an expression for work done by an ideal gas during the isothermal changes, as previously we finished during the physical classes. Explain the following process, cyclic and non-cyclic, I told you very clear. And from this chapter, so let us, I want to check, yeah, there is no VSAQ, but from thermal properties there is a one VSAQ is given. Why does a real gas behave like an ideal gas? Of course it is a very important. So one VSAQ also is there from this chapter. That means ultimately from this chapter we are getting 10 marks. Like here, last one, kinetic theory, pressure of an ideal gas is container is independent on shape of the container, explain. Yes, it is for 2 marks. VSAQ is given, one VSAQ is given from 14th chapter. Like it is the model paper which was given by BIE board. So you thoroughly follow this, whatever here is given, and you go through this and you read all answers without fail, and you write, practice it. If you practice it more, then definitely you will get the good marks. If not, you will not get the good marks. So this is basically the situation. Suppose you are simply reading, yes, we will get the answer, but when we are enter into the examination hall, you will not get the perfect answer. To get a perfect answer, so that we should practice it more and more, at least 3-4 times without saying we should write before the examination, so that ultimately you will get the perfect answers. So follow this and read all questions, and which is very important questions, already I told you, and this is the regarding our TS BIE model paper for first year physics. Clear? Thank you very much, and watch all videos because already is there in our YouTube channel. Supposed to go through that. and regularly watch the videos. If you watch the videos, therefore if any doubt is there, then you directly come to the college or you ask the doubts also, or else you can go through the videos. Thank you very much. We'll see you. Thank you.